zoom in.
What the dog doing?
Vlastní sana nevidím. Mrčo.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna be transforming this boring looking shelf into an aesthetic looking one. So basically I'm gonna be putting up this curtain up here. It's this buttery yellow, wait, let me focus on it. Yeah. I am obsessed with this color these days. I'm obsessed, yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do. And so ever since I've moved into this house, um, I always hated this shelf, especially the orange lines you see here. I hate it so much. So I always thought of, putting up something here, but I never got the time to do it. But yeah, today we're gonna do it. And yeah, so we have some books here and some packaging stuff going on here, and that's my snacks. So yeah, let's do it. Let's go.
What the dog doing?
Face lock.
You guys, it's so windy. It's almost May, and it's almost May and it's still windy, which is so weird. And I hate windy season so much. Like, I mean, breezy type of wind, it's fine, but super strong wind, it's so annoying. Like, it blows away my hair, like, shows off my big forehead. Like, girl, it's not the vibe. So it's already what, the end of April. It's almost April, May, right? It's almost May, girl. Come on. It's almost summer, girl. Get the hell away from here. Do you see all these flies? It's so annoying. Okay, let's get into it. Bye. Shit. I think we need to stick that.
I haven't seen you in quite some time, but you keep appearing in my mind. I haven't heard you speak in quite some time, but I hear it as the chime.
Hey guys, so this is the end result, and I do like it, but I'm not that crazy. I'm not that I don't know, something about it's just drawing me off. Maybe it's the color, but I do like the color, but it's just something about this something about it, it's just not giving. Maybe because this space is just too plain. Maybe I'll fill it up with some. I'm thinking I'll put up some frames or maybe some plants, some more plants. Yeah, but I'll do that in my next vlog. Let me know in the comments what you think, whether you like it or no. To let me know, please. Okay, so yeah, if you like, this is gonna be my outro, like the ending. So yeah, thank you guys for supporting me and for all the love and support. Yeah, thank you so much. And if this is something you enjoy watching, do make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next vlog, that is next Saturday. Thank you.